Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna find out how good a turbo Civic is in a snowstorm. It's been snowing since last night pretty much. I shoveled last night and we're getting more snow. So Uni Royal all season tires on here. Definitely not the best call for snow. And look at how freaking low this thing is too. So, yeah. Ooh, look at all this snow. Damn, it's so nice. Love it, you gotta love it. Jaywalkers, Turbo Civic, all season tires. It's a new song coming out. Okay, this thing's a 1996, no anti-lock brakes. Let's see how it brakes here. Oh, pretty good actually. We'll see if I can even move here. Traction report, nice and easy on the gas. Oh, somebody got pulled over up there. I always go in this lane to pass people, but I don't think I'm passing anybody with a front wheel drive all seasons. Turbo Civic for life. So far, it's doing pretty good. Snow day. Or not. I love when people stare at me when I wave. Okay, you know what's better than finding $10? Losing $10 and then finding it. I went to pick up Nate Diller.
Oh yeah.
First of all, nobody answered the door, but then I finally got in there. Lost my money, had to come back to my mom's house. It was still sitting there. The guy shoveling, he didn't steal it. Good man. Okay, so Nate Diller's coming for a ride. So all season tires and no ABS, so like you lock up the brakes.
Oh yeah.
And you just slide.
Yeah, that was like the protege.
Let's see if we can make a little boost here.
I know it sounds good.
Smell it though.
A little bit of gunpowder. Oh, as soon as I stop filming frickin' X. I'll keep it PG for the YouTube subscribers.
Did this with Sadie too. You go in people's driveway, you film it around here, and then you throw it in reverse.
You want J hook it?
Oh, we could, yeah, we do J turn. All day, baby.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll do a little spin ski here. Oh yeah. Somebody ends up on your driveway tonight, it's probably us.
Like that.
Yeah.
A little blow off. Alright, ready?
First gear, Jay Wheelie on YouTube. Turbo Civic. Third gear. Oh, wheel speed, here we go.
Oh yeah.
Kind of fun, hey?
Little get up. It's not like an overwhelming amount of power, but it's just, it handles like it's sick.
Yeah, like
and then it pops mid shifts too.
Yeah.
Ooh. Popcorn for dinner, huh?
Okay, let's see, let's pretend a deer jumps out here.
Shit. Probably all foggy.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Now that deer, I tell you, keeps coming back for more. Should have moved the sign away so they don't keep crossing.
Okay, what I normally do is turn into Sarah's, get a nice big angle going. Oh, not the curb, not the curb, not the curb. Woo! Is that a little curb or just snow?
I think that was just a squiff.
Oh, I'm getting a little reckless with you here.
Bring the old like taking my Mustang out. Like if I go cruising with you, I beat on it so hard.
Should we drift into this guy?
Yeah. Those are. Wow.
I like how well
He was smiling.
like,
so
from the outside. It probably looked like this thing was rear-wheel drive there from that van. Besides the rear wheel being locked up, but it just took that corner so well, like such a nice line. Now is anybody coming? It's always a gamble here. Oh, and he saves it.
Oh. Or is it Nissan or Nissan?
I'm pissing in my Nissan. Oh yeah. Holy, fourth gear, jeez. Not even hooking in fourth. This thing has
wet and wild tonight.
like. Welcome to Sarah's dog walking business. We'll walk your dogs and juggle logs. All right, I haven't filmed a whole ton today. I apologize for that, but we're filling up the gas now, obviously. I'll put my fuel economy on the screen here, what it is this tank when I fill up. So it's 35.9 liters. And I've gone 205 kilometers on this tank. So it's getting horrible, horrible fuel economy, but what did I expect when I turboed it? We're gonna go pick Malcolm up and give him a ride. Hopefully I have enough battery to do that. I'm at 8% now. Yeah, we'll see. Every good turbo Civic video starts out with a good e-brake initiation, right?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Unless there's a cough.
Nope.
Oh, that was a crafty one. Okay, second gear, 2000. Mash it.
In the snow. Oh! Oh shit!
Third gear bog. She'll catch.
Whoa! Yo! That's way more than I thought it would be. What the heck? That is not 106 horsepower,
yeah,
dude.
Right? Not anymore.
Wow, man, I need one of these.
Third gear, 2500. Get into it.
Oh,
so good,
there it is. That's nice. Yeah. So don't die. Oh man. Wow. Dude, this is way quicker than I thought it would be.
Right?
Jeez.
It's a lot of like, it's probably not as quick as you think as well, but it's just like the experience.
It's
like,
also tiny is
like,
the thing. Like
no grip, tiny, like cool turbo
like even
noises.
slow at, like what is this, like 2,500 pounds?
Like 2,200 pounds.
Yeah, so like the Cayman is a lightweight car, and that's more than, well, that's about 3,000 pounds.
So first gear when it's slippery like this is just useless.
Yeah, I bet. Ooh. Oh, sounds so good.
Yeah, I love that.
That's great. What the heck? Like you think of Hondas, you think of like really raspy, like naturally aspirated B series.
Yeah.
This is not that at all. This is such a like deep tone to it.
Yeah, that's why I didn't want to go open down pipe, and I wanted to make an exhaust and have at least a muffler.
At what point is something going to come out of the hood?
Oh, you're asking.
Yeah.
I'm hoping to have like a little screamer pipe from the wastegate.
Yeah, that's what I was
probably
thinking.
weld one up. Alright guys, camera died, but I think you know the answer. The Turbo Civic did just fine in the snowstorm today, and this was a nice way to finish off. I found a nice untouched parking lot here, so we'll give you a little walk around and then I'll say my goodbyes. It's funny seeing a front wheel drive with the rear tires filled up with snow. All right, well, that's it. I'm heading home. Have a good night.